Welcome students. You are having a glance of this diagram. It is already discussed in my previous video, but I think a little more illustration is required as far as your proper understanding for the menstrual cycle is concerned. Here in this diagram at the base you see here this pink colored thin layer. Here it is written menstruation or menses. This is meant for the day 1 of the menstrual cycle, and it is running up to the 5th day of the menstrual cycle, and thereafter there is a sudden increase in the thickening of the endometrium of uterus. This thickening of endometrium of uterus is due to the excessive secretion of this progesterone hormone, which is the hormone released from the ovary. And in my previous video I had discussed that after the rupture of Graafian follicle, ova is released and the remaining structure is known as the corpus luteum. This corpus luteum behaves as an endocrine gland, and this releases the hormone progesterone that is responsible for the thickening of the endometrium. The thickening of the endometrium is essential for the implantation of the fertilized ova. If fertilization takes place, pregnancy is maintained due to the secretion of this progesterone hormone by the corpus luteum. If fertilization does not occur, this corpus luteum degenerates, and hence the decline in the secretion of progesterone can be seen here by this red line. This blue line is the estrogen. It is also the sex hormone in the female body released from the ovary, and here you see the sudden increase in the secretion of this estrogen. It is due to the sudden increase in the luteinizing hormone that is released from the pituitary gland, and this extreme high level of secretion of LH is known as a luteal surge. Due to this, the matured Graafian follicle ruptures and ova is released. This is the hormonal activity that is taking place inside the female body during menstruation. I think this point was needed to be explained in a little more elucidative way, and it is all about menstruation. Here in this diagram you can see the oogenesis. Oogenesis or gametogenesis is the phenomena in the living body, or a human body rather. Many other organisms also produce gamete by the process of gametogenesis. Male body undergoes a spermatogenesis for the formation of sperms, the male gamete, and the female body undergoes oogenesis, that is for the formation of or the release of female gamete. During the course of this oogenesis, the development starts in the fetal life, that is even before the birth of the female baby. The oogonia or the germinal epithelial cells inside the ovary undergoes mitotic division and differentiation, and this mitotic division and differentiation develops in the formation of primary oocyte. This primary oocyte, once it is formed, at the time of birth there is first meiotic division in the primary oocyte, and this is completed prior to the ovulation, and the childhood is passed. When the female body attains puberty, the secondary oocyte undergoes further next division, and this next division takes place in the adult stage of life, in the reproductive phase, when the fertilization has taken place. Once the fertilization is taken place, then only the second meiotic division in the oogonia, or rather the primary oocyte takes place, and the primary oocyte is forming the secondary oocyte is forming the ovum. I think time has taken enough and it needs little more elaboration. We shall see it in the next video. Thank you.